How do? Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations and a Merry Christmas to you. Here are some fantastic tools that you might want to give out as a Christmas gift to your woodworking DIYer. They range from the big ticket items with the big boxes that cost a little bit of money through to some smaller items that might just be a nice simple little gift to give that every woodworker will absolutely love. Right, so what have we got then? So in no particular order, here's number one, the chisel. Now you can see I've got lots of different types of chisels here, but the ones I'm buying more than anything else, these rider chisels. These are superb, and I'm not even going to say for the money. They are not expensive. So a chisel like this might cost you £15–16. Now, it's really nice to get a set though, isn't it? I've got all these different size chisels, but I'd really still love to have a matching set. So I'm going to put a link in the description for a few of the common sizes, but also there's a gift set that you can have for the full range in a beautiful box. Whoa, what a treat that would be on Christmas morning. Now, number two is a router. Now, these are very, very useful tools. We can make all kinds of things with routers. And this is one that I've been using for quite a while now, and I'm really, really impressed with it. It's got a lot of spec on it, does lots of tricks that some of the really expensive routers do. This would be my choice if I had to get another one, and it's a VonHaus. Now, there might be some tools on this that might be listed in Black Friday. If there are, I'll link those in the description as well to save you looking around. But in the meantime, this is a definite for me. Now, here's a tool that every workshop should have. This is a Shinto saw rasp, and it works like a file, but it's much quicker, it's much cleaner, it's got a rough side and a smooth side, and I pick this up every single day in the workshop. They are not very expensive. Definitely grab one of these. Now, number four is a pillar drill. Now, I'm sure whoever is getting all these gifts probably has a normal hand drill. A pillar drill gives fantastic accuracy, it gives nice straight cuts, much cleaner cuts as well, and you can put adaptations on for things like drum sanders and use it as a pin router and all kinds of different things like that. Absolutely brilliant tool, one I would definitely need in my workshop. And number five on the list is a Dremel, the original multi-tool. These things are brilliant. We can sand with them, we can grind with them, we can carve things with them. Such a useful thing. This one even comes with the flexi kit as well, so you can attach that and have more detailed work going with it. Such a useful thing. Anybody's going to love getting one of those. Well, there we go. I hope there's something there within your price range, and I guarantee any of them will put a smile on your woodworker's face. Happy Christmas, God bless.